Ben's big swim. It's a sunny day. It's very hot, says Max. Please, can we go to the swimming pool, Mom? Says Ben. I'm sorry, says Mom. I cannot take you now. I'm going to the store. I have an idea. Let's go to the beach, Grandpa says. You can swim there. Great, I love the beach, says Rosie. Grandpa says, Clonks, where are you? Here, says Clonk. The children are sitting in the van. Take us to the beach, Clonk, says Grandpa. The children look at the houses and trees. Then, wow, look at the lights, says Rosie. We are here, says Grandpa. The children jump out of the van. Rosie is happy. Look at the sand, she says. I want to make a sand castle. She takes a bucket from the van. It is very windy at the beach today. Ben looks at the sea. He is not happy. We cannot swim here, says Ben. The waves are too big. I have a new idea, says Grandpa. You can swim in a rock pool. A rock pool? How can we swim in a little rock pool? Asks Max. We can use the van, says Grandpa. Let's go. Ben and Max. Grandpa puts a red button in the van and then we are little, shouts Max. Grandpa drives the van to a rock pool. Splash! They go under the water. They see seaweed and shells in the water. I can put the van next to the big shell, says Grandpa. Then you can swim. Ben points at the seaweed. What's that behind the seaweed? He asks. It is a crab with big, strong claws. Let's go, shouts Max. But the van cannot go. It is in the crab's craw. Water is coming into the van now. Can you make the van big, Grandpa? Says Ben. No, says Grandpa. The rock pool is too small. He ran to the door. Quick, Ben, Grandpa says. Swim and find Rosie. Ben jumps in the cold water. He does not look at the big crab. Go, Ben, go, shouts Max. Ben is very scared. He swims and swims. Ben climbs out of the rock pool. Rosie, he shouts. Clonk! But Rosie and Clonk are looking for shells. They cannot hear Ben. He is too little. He runs to the sand castle. Ben climbs to the top of the sand castle. He jumps up and down and shouts, Here, here, what's that? Says Rosie. It's your big brother, says Clonk, but now he's little. Rosie runs to rock pool. The van is little too. She says, Grandpa pushed the button. Now the van is big again. Ben is big again too. Where's that crab? Says Max. It's running home to the rock pool, says Rosie. Let's go home too, says Grandpa. They go home in the van. Mom is taking the shopping bags into the house. We can go to the swimming pool now, Ben, she says. No, thank you, said Ben. No swim for me.